This is a camera tool that every photographer should have. It's not just any camera tool, but released and developed by none other than Peter McKinnon. So let's open it. Now, Pete just couldn't find the right tool for him, so he decided to take it upon himself and develop his own. Now that is just boss. I too couldn't find the right camera tool for when I'm out and about shooting photos, and then this tool came along. The camera tool itself is built very well. It's durable and hefty in the hands, but not cumbersome. It also includes this awesome carrying case along with plenty of bits for any occasion. It has Pete's signature on one side and his Pete's Pirate Life logo on the deep pocket clip. It is very subtle, but for me I preferred if his signature and logo was on the opposite sides. Now the kicker is that it has a unique patent-pending switch mechanic that extends the arms with 2 spots on each arm for a 1/4 inch bits that is included, and not only that, it also comes with 2 additional tools, a dedicated Phillips driver and a tripod mount tool. Now the arms, it has a magnet for the 1/4 inch bits that will hold it securely in place, so it gives you a peace of mind. Now, the best part of this camera tool, the hidden secret SD card compartment. If you forgot your main SD card for a photo shoot, well, you got a spare inside your camera tool. Now that is clever. Now I can't wait to try this out in the field, but I know for certain that this is going to save me a lot of headache. Now because of that, this is definitely a tool that every photographer should carry with them. And as of shooting this video, this camera tool is unfortunately sold out, and apparently Pete is planning to release more. I'm sure he'll announce it soon on his social media accounts. So there you guys have it, a very short video and my insight on Pete's camera tool. I hope you enjoyed this video and keep it locked in here for more video contents like this. So until then, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.